If you picked up Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on Free Comic Book Day 2017, check out your local comic shop this week for TMNT Dimension X #1 from IDW Publishing. On Free Comic Book Day, fans saw our favorite turtles recovering from their latest encounter with Krang in Dimension X. Little do they know, Krang has hired an assassin to kill anyone who will testify against him now that he's been beaten. After the turtles defend themselves, they resolve to head back to Dimension X and finish it once and for all. You can find Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Dimension X #1 and more this week, Wednesday, August 2nd at your local comic shop. Find one near you at comicshoplocator.com.